Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ragatha from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the face. Let's draw a small triangle for the nose. Next, I'm going to zoom in to draw the face. Let's start on the top left and let's draw the first eye with a circle. And then inside, let's add another circle for the border. Now in the center, let's draw two black ovals forming an X shape. Next, on the right side, let's draw the other eye with a long oval. Next, inside, let's add another small oval. And then color this one in black. Now inside at the top, let's draw a curve. And then add 3 curves on top for the eyelashes. And then one more curve inside the bottom of the eye. Now top down and let's add the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down to the right. And then another curve underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and start drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw 2 curves down. Then let's bring it out on both sides, forming a curved rectangle. And then let's add another curved rectangle on both sides. Now for the next piece of hair, let's draw a curve out from the top. And then draw a longer curved rectangle going down. Now between these pieces of hair, let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the head. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw another piece of hair going out and up on both sides. Then let's hop down and let's draw another piece going down on an angle. And now let's draw another piece of hair next to these by curving it down and bringing it in. Now in the gap on the side, let's draw another piece going out on both sides like this. And lastly, let's draw some pieces behind. At the bottom, let's draw a curve between the gap. And then one more piece underneath the head with a bent line on both sides. Now that we have the shape of the hair, let's move inside each piece and let's draw some striped lines. And that's it for the hair. Lastly, let's add the bow on top. On top in the center, let's draw a small rectangle shape up. Then from the tops, let's bring it up and curve it back down. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 lines down for the neck. Then a curve across the bottom. Now for the collar, let's bring it out on both sides and then a V-shaped point underneath. Now let's hop underneath the collar and let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then underneath, let's draw a curved rectangle for the waist. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's add the sleeves. Let's start at the top next to the collar and let's draw a curve out and down on both sides. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back in. Now at the ends, let's add the ruffles. Let's add 2 angles down and out underneath each side. And then a wavy line to connect it. Now before we draw the arms, let's finish drawing the dress. Underneath the waistband, let's draw a long curve down and out on both sides. Then connect it at the bottom with a wavy line. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the patches on the dress. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a small rectangle. And then add stitches lines all the way around. And then let's add another rectangle on the bottom right here. Now inside the waistband, let's add another one on the left side. And now let's hop down and add some on the skirt. Let's draw one large one on the top left. And then an even larger one on the bottom left. Then let's add one on the right side. And then one more on the bottom right. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move back up and add the arms and hands. Let's start under the sleeves and let's draw 2 angled lines down and out. Then for the inside line, let's curve it down to the dress. And then from the outside line, let's bring it out and then down. And then inside, let's draw a line up and curve it back down on both sides like this. And that's it for the arms and hands. Lastly, let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath, let's draw 2 lines down. And the same thing on the outside. And then close off the bottom of each one with a curve across. And lastly, let's add a curve inside each one at the bottom. And that's it for Ragatha. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!